So now let us look at this photograph. It's a black and white photograph, but you can see in the bottom you have got cars. Okay, then you have got industry to the left. You have got industry. Okay, and you have got this marine transport. So it is very clearly again burning of fossil fuels, coal, oil, etc. Okay, it adds carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. Car emissions, again carbon dioxide. And you have got from top there is an arrow coming down, the energy coming from the sun to the earth. So about 75% of the sun's power achieving the earth is absorbed on the earth's surface, which increases its temperature. Whatever is left on the warmth transmits back into the atmosphere. Some of the heat is trapped through greenhouse gases, often by carbon dioxide. See, you might have seen greenhouses. Greenhouses means the poly houses, plastic houses, no, where they have nurseries. So, in the greenhouse gases, not in greenhouse, sorry, not gases. In the greenhouse, there is controlled weather. Okay, because of the plastic film. There is like a plastic house made of plastic, where these small plants nurseries are grown, and once they become stable and hard, then they are taken out to the field. Similarly, this earth also in the atmosphere, due to the increase of carbon dioxide and other gases like water vapor, methane, these are all called greenhouse gases. The sunlight which is coming, the energy gets trapped. Okay, so as greenhouse gas emission is discharged by numerous human activities, it's quickly increasing and causing global warming. Human activities for the duration of the last few decades of industrialization and population boom have polluted the atmosphere and affecting the weather. See, with the past, when India got independence, India had a population of around 35 to 40 crores. Today we are 138 crores. So the population of this country has grown, first thing. Second thing, industrialization also. When India was independent, we had very few industries. But now in most of the big cities, towns, we have got industries. Okay, government has planned industrialization. Earlier people were, the citizens were dependent only on agriculture. Then came industrialization. And today it is more that people are getting jobs in service sector. So because of this industrialization and boom in service sector also, the standard of people living has increased. So people have to commute long distances for their work. Okay, from their home to the place of residence to place of work. So they are using lot of vehicles, be it two-wheelers, four-wheelers, or even public transport. Please see the carbon dioxide in the surroundings today is almost around 380, 390 ppm parts per million. And before industrialized period, maybe 70 years before now, we have almost increased 30% of the carbon dioxide. Means you can just imagine around 130 ppm. It was around 250 parts per million before the pre-industrialized time. In India, maybe somewhere around 1940, 1950 you can take. But in the last 70, 80 years, we have increased the carbon dioxide by 31%. This is inflicting greater heat to the trapped inside the lower atmosphere. What happens when the carbon dioxide is released? So this acts like a greenhouse gas. So what is greenhouse gas? It will trap the heat and will not allow the heat to go back, and hence the temperature of this atmosphere will increase, and the temperature of earth will also increase, and we call this as global warming. This phenomena of increase in the temperature of atmospheric air as well as earth is known as global warming, and this has got serious consequences. You know that some 8 to 10% of the water is in the form of glaciers, and the glaciers, Arctic glaciers, Antarctic glaciers, they are started melting and their sizes have already reduced. So that melting of the glaciers is going to increase the level, okay, and by almost 1 meter in this century. And because of this, what will happen? The low-lying areas, the coastal areas, some small islands, they will all vanish. So this is a great impact of global warming. Okay, and it also affects not only human life, habitat. It also affects the animals, aquatic life, and plants also. So this was all about global warming.